To our channel. So today I am going to show you Oats Bournavita Pancakes. So this is the easiest snack you can prepare in 5 minutes. So whenever you feel like eat something sweet, so you can prepare at home easily.
Welcome to Cafe and Kitchen, the ultimate channel for making cafe-like food at home with the farm-fresh, convenient food that is available just around you. Just enjoy the show.
So for this, I'm going to take a half cup of oats and 2 spoons of white sesame seeds and jaggery powder, and then 2 spoons of Bournvita powder. So jaggery powder you can take a little anyways, because Bournvita is sweet in taste, right? So you can check and you can take this both according to your sweet. So I'm going to mix this oats and sesame seeds and jaggery powder and Bournvita powder in the mixer. See, you can see this. I have added like little cinnamon powder too, like to get nice smell for this powder. So this is the powder. I have mixed this oats, sesame seeds and jaggery powder and Bournvita powder. So this powder you can store for up to 1 month. You can like mix all these oats and sesame seeds and jaggery powder and Bournvita powder, and you can take this powder into the airtight container and you can store it for 1 month. Okay, so now I'll going to show you how to prepare pancakes. So this powder will take, so how many pancakes you wanted to do, so you can take that much powder from the stored powder. So this you can prepare once at a high amount and then you can store it, and so whenever you feel like eating sweet, so you just take this powder and for this a little bit of salt and a pinch of baking soda and then see wheat flour, 3 spoons of wheat flour. So now you can mix this powder nicely. So if you want to check the sweetness of this pancakes, now you can check this powder is like you can eat like this only, because we have mixed only oats, jaggery powder and sesame seeds only, right? So you can check the sweetness directly. Feel like it is less sweetness, so you can add jaggery or sugar or whatever sweet you want. So now I'm adding water to mix. So actually pancake, while doing pancakes you can mix with milk also, but I don't like milk, so I'm using water itself. So mix and make paste nicely. So while mixing only I'm getting nice sweetness smell. If you wish this pancake should be more healthy, so you can add like 2 spoons of yogurt or curd, or else fruits, like whatever fruits you wanted to eat, so that fruits also you can mix in the mixer and you can add that paste here and you can mix nicely. So for me, I like this Bournvita only, that's why I'm doing this plain pancakes. So now prepared nicely this batter. See, I have transferred this powder to the airtight container, so this I can store for up to 1 month like that. So whenever we feel like eating sweet, so you can just take out this powder and mix with little wheat flour and whatever the fruits you want. So you can mix and you can prepare pancakes in a minute. Got heated, so I'm adding like a little bit of butter. You can spread like this. So you can do with butter or ghee or normal oil also, and just take like this. That's it. Just close the lid for a few seconds. So now let's see. So you are noticing this bubbles, right? So now we can flip it out. Now we can serve into serving plate. So I will add one more. Let's see. So now you're noticing this bubbling, right? So now we can flip it. So that's it. Now we can serve into serving plate. That's it. So if you prepare the powder and store it, so you can prepare this pancakes in like 1 or 2 minutes only. So whenever you feel like eating, so you can take that powder and you can add just little wheat flour, and then you can add with milk or any fruit purees, and then you can prepare like this. So now let's see. See, hot sweet pancakes are ready. So this Bournvita, so I just added butter and I'm just sprinkling with jaggery powder. And just few of this white sesame seeds. So that's it. Oats Bournavita pancakes are ready. We can prepare in 2 minutes. So if you prepare that powder and if you keep it stored, so you can prepare in like in 2 minutes only. So this hot pancakes are ready to eat now. So whenever you feel like eating some sweet at midnight or else so evening time, so you can prepare in 2 minutes and you can have it.
Welcome to Cafe and Kitchen, the ultimate channel for making cafe-like food at home with the farm-fresh convenient food that is available just around you. Just enjoy the show.